Hello, good morning, everybody. This is team number 9, uh, the course project of AIH. So the app that we have built during this course is Brain Imaging Annotator. So this is the login page for the Brain Image Annotator, and we have options of sign in and sign up. So let us look at the sign up option. Sign up gives you six entries, which is full name, email, phone number, username, password, and confirm password. These are the standard signing up details that we give to log in into our account. So we see that the sign up was successful, and we'll use the same credentials to log in again. So yeah, this is the homepage of the application, which shows us about tumor annotation, why it is important, and why we have chosen this project. So we know that annotation of data sets is the thing which takes the longest time during a medical process. And instead of doing annotation and further preparing data sets, the time could be utilized to treat more patients. So we are trying to create a annotator app which eases the work of the doctors and gives accurate and precise annotations. So, given in the sidebar, there are three modules, that is brain segmentation, the toolkit for editing annotations, brain datasets, and brain research. So, let us look at the brain datasets page first. Brain datasets. So yeah, these are the brain data sets that are prevalent in modern research. So we are using the BRATS data set for as we want to demonstrate our applications prowess in brain tumor segmentation. So these are some of the brain imaging data sets that are prevalent, and we are planning to integrate the data sets into like using APIs to models and use these data sets directly in our application further. And coming to the brain research, so these are the current hot topics for brain tumor research, like local drug delivery in brain tumor, meningioma research, new drug targets for brain cancer, and stem cells and brain tumor research. So these are some like these are links to the relevant research papers and the articles. So we are trying to create a like blog kind of web page where it shows you the interesting researches going on in brain tumor field. So coming to the editing part, loading part, Ashni will take over.
Okay. Hello everyone. So coming to the brain segmentation part, which is our main hero of the project, I can say. So here, clicking on the brain segmentation icon, so we get a lot of projects that we had built earlier. In order to create a new project, we need to click this green button. So upon creating, we can name that as something like AIH tumor project. Tumor project. So I click on create and we can see that AIH tumor project is successfully created. Let's say I want to, wait, one second. So let's say I want to edit this second project. So I can just edit it like maybe new team project. So I'll remove team and make it as new project AIH. So that could be done. And tumor seg, this is one of the project. If I feel I want to delete, I can delete it. And so these are the features given in the file, I mean project system. So this is the new project that we created. So once if I log in, we get to choose input files. So most of the brain inputs are basically brain data is in .dcm file. So the input for this also is a DCM file. So let's say I have this example.dcm. So let me see what my model gives us annotation for this DCM. So once if I load, I can see that the red highlighted areas are the tumor regions. So what we have done is that we have kept a brain image first and have kept the annotation DCM image upon that so that we can understand. The doctors will be able to analyze how the which part of the brain is being highlighted as tumor. So behind, if you can see that there's a brain image, and upon that we are showing that these are the annotation but basically these are the tumor annotations. So if I feel that it has not annotated enough or something, if there is any minor correction, I can always click on edit annotation. So wherein I'll be having a pen over here. So I can always adjust its size to a maximum one or a minimum. So since I have to highlight only this portion of the part, so I'll be highlighting it over here. And once, so let's say I made a mistake over here, like I shouldn't have done this. So I can always do undo for that and it gets disappeared. So everything, if I want to reset also, I can do reset button. And this is eraser. We have an eraser as well. And next once we are happy with the annotations that I've added, then we can click on save button. So once we are saved, we get a pop-up called annotation saved successfully. And this is our annotated image. So this would be saved as annotation.dcm into our system. So this is all about the brain annotation tool, and this is highly useful for the doctors as well. And once everything is done, if you're like if you want to log out, this is the main button wherein we click and it goes to log out option. So currently the file system is not properly well established, and our future aim is to establish it properly and store it in the cloud-based system. So that is one of our future goal. And also, as Priya mentioned, would be having APIs to collect the recent new data sets or any sort of data sets and research related to the ongoing brain tumor related stuff. So that will be our future works in this case. So, yeah, thank you, everyone.